Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling a map and any required app-specific password. This lets other clients talk to Gmail like Outlook does. Once done, install the tasks and calendar add-ons so you get side-by-side functionality. Make sure to organize labels now. These become folders in Outlook-style views. Also create a filter to auto-label incoming messages because labels drive focused folders later. This sets the foundation. You can move quickly into layout and syncing next. Now you rebuild the Outlook workspace inside Gmail. Open settings and configure multiple inboxes with queries like label, inbox is, unread for a left pane folder feel. Then pin key labels and set priority inbox slices to surface urgent mail. This mimics Outlook's focused inbox. Sync your Google Calendar and contacts so events and people appear in one place. Finally, customize keyboard shortcuts to speed navigation. Practice a few to reach Outlook-like efficiency. Finish by adjusting reply defaults and turning conversation view on or off according to your preference, because this changes how threads appear versus Outlook. If you moved messages from an Outlook PSD, import via a map or use Google's migration tool to maintain folder structure. If sync issues arise, check a map access, app passwords, and that filters aren't archiving mail. Also confirm calendar permissions. One practical tip: toggle IMAP off and back on to reset stubborn sync sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.